Are you tired of running out of storage space on your Windows computer? Do you wonder what's eating up all the space on your hard drive? In this video, we'll show you how to identify and free up space on your Windows PC. Windows 10 and 11 has its own inbuilt settings where we can find which apps is using more storage. To view this, go to Search and type Storage Settings and select it from the list. Here, you can see which applications, temporary files, and downloads are taking up space, and you can view and delete them to free up space. But there is one best way to visualize all the storage space and free it up. For this, go to Browser and type Winterstat Download and press Enter. It will point to the official website. Click on it, as I am using 64-bit version, so I will download this 64-bit version. After downloading this, I will install on my machine. After that, click on Finish button. Now go to Search and type Winterstat and select it from the list. Click on OK. Now it will scan all your drives, files, folders and application. Just wait from some time. Here you will see Tree Map, which is colorful visual representation of all files, where larger blocks represent larger files. This allows you to visually spot which files are taking up the most space. In my case, it is Docker file and I need it, so I will not delete this. You can click on the blocks and its respective file will be shown at the top. This green block represent the system files, so I will not touch them. In my case, this red color represent MP4 files. If you do not need them, then you can delete them. This brinjal block represent no extension file. So those files are displayed here. Right-click on it and explore the location. It seems like I do not need this file, so I will delete them. Similarly, you can do the same for others, and if you find that those files and folders are not needed, delete them. In this way, we can visualize the files and delete them when they are not necessary. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.